Have you ever found yourself wondering where all your money went at the end of the month? You know you've been working hard and earning a decent salary, but somehow you're just not seeing the financial progress you'd hoped for. Trust me, I've been there. I remember feeling like I was stuck in a never-ending cycle of working hard and earning money, only to turn around and spend it all on seemingly small and insignificant expenses. That's when I discovered the power of budgeting. It's a simple, yet powerful tool that helped me take control of my finances and start making progress towards my financial goals. And that's why I'm here today to talk to you about creating a budget. This is a big step towards financial independence, and it's something that anyone can do, regardless of their income level. You see, budgeting is not about deprivation or restriction, it's about understanding where your money is going and making conscious decisions about how you want to use it. It's about creating a plan for your money, so you can make the most of it and reach your financial goals. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I'll be sharing with you my personal experience with budgeting and the steps I took to get my finances on track. You'll learn how to create a budget that works for you and how to stick to it, even when things get tough. You'll also discover some of my best tips and tricks for staying on track and making the most of your budget. So, are you ready to take control of your finances and start making progress towards your financial goals? Then let's dive in and learn how to create a budget that will help you achieve financial independence. Now that we understand the importance of understanding our cash flow, it's time to take the next step towards financial independence, creating a budget. I know. The word budget can feel like a dirty word for some of us. It brings up images of deprivation and sacrifice. Creating a budget doesn't have to be painful or restrictive. In fact, it can be quite liberating. When I first started budgeting, I was in a similar boat. I had no idea where my money was going and I was living paycheck to paycheck. Once I sat down and created a budget, it was like a light bulb went off. I finally understood where my money was going and where I could make changes to improve my financial situation. So, let's start with the basics. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It's a way to make sure that you're spending your money on the things that are important to you and that you're saving for the things that matter in the long run. The first step in creating a budget is to track your income and expenses. This is where that cash flow statement comes in handy. Take a look at your income and your expenses for the past month and see where your money is going. Are you spending more on eating out than you realized? Are your subscription services adding up? Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can start making a plan for your money. Now, I know what you're thinking, Encryptus, I don't have enough money to save or invest. Trust me, I've been there. The truth is, we all have the same 24 hours in a day. It's how we use those hours and how we prioritize our spending that makes the difference. One tip I like to use is the 50/30/20 rule. This rule suggests that 50% of your income should go towards necessities, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings and investments. Of course, this is just a guideline and you should adjust it to fit your own situation. It's a great starting point. So, take some time to sit down and track your income and expenses. Then, make a plan for your money using the 50/30/20 rule or something similar. Remember, the key is to make sure that you're spending your money on the things that are important to you and that you're saving for the things that matter in the long run. As you start to budget and track your cash flow, you might be surprised by how much money you can actually save and put towards your financial independence. The key is to start small and make incremental changes. Trust me, it's not as hard as you might think. And the reward of being in control of your money is invaluable. Now that you've created your budget and have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to take the next step towards financial independence. One of the most important things to remember when creating a budget is to be flexible. Life happens, and you may have unexpected expenses come up. That doesn't mean you have to throw your budget out the window. Instead, learn to adjust and make changes as needed. One trick I use to stay on track with my budget is to set up automatic transfers from my checking account to my savings account. This way, I'm less likely to spend that money on impulse purchases. Another tip is to use cash for discretionary spending. When you physically see the money leaving your wallet, it can be a powerful reminder to stick to your budget. And speaking of sticking to your budget, don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. We all make mistakes, and it's important to remember that budgeting is a journey, not a destination. The most important thing is that you're making an effort to take control of your finances. I want to share a secret with you. The key to financial independence is not just about budgeting and saving, it's about generating multiple streams of income. That's right, having multiple sources of income can greatly increase your chances of achieving financial freedom. This can be achieved through investments, side hustles, or even starting your own business. The truth is, budgeting is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to achieving financial independence. It's a crucial piece, and by taking the time to understand your cash flow and create a budget, you're already on the right track. Remember, financial independence is not a dream, it's a goal, and with the right mindset and tools, you can achieve it. So, take the first step today and start creating your budget. It may be difficult at first, but trust me, the end result is worth it. And remember, I'll be here every step of the way, offering tips and tricks to help you achieve your financial goals. So, stay tuned for more videos on this topic and don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. In conclusion, creating a budget is a big step towards financial independence. By understanding your income and expenses, you can make informed decisions about where to allocate your money. We've covered the importance of tracking your cash flow, setting financial goals, and sticking to your budget. Now, it's time for you to take action. Start by writing down your income and expenses, and then determine where you can make adjustments to improve your cash flow. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress. Every small step you take towards financial independence is a step in the right direction. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like and share the video to help others learn about the importance of budgeting. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.